Okay, you guys, today I'm going to show you how to night latch your foothold traps, and all you have to do is make a little slit. I don't know if you can see that right on your hand, right there. And to do that, you just take handy dandy file and you just file it down until there's a little indent for your trap, for your dog to set. You just take it right here, you just make a little slit, just file it in there so you got that little dent. It's like a little lip, you can see that. Then to set it, all you have to do is do what you normally do. Get it. Okay. And then just listen, because you'll hear the click. You hear it? That's when you know it's set. And this makes the pan set a little set more level, and it makes it a little easier to go off. A lot more sensitive. So that's pretty much it. You guys need any more help, just ask a question, comment below. And by the way, go out and check out Texas Camo 17. We're going to start doing partnership. We're going to make a lot more videos together and stuff. So yeah, so go check out his channel. I'll leave a link below. So you have to subscribe, like the video. See you guys later.